Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can make a collapsible section in your Wix.com site. So first off, let's start from the dashboard here, and you want to click on this button here to design your site. Once you click on that, it'll take you to here, the Wix website editor. Now from here, we want to start off with a couple of things. We want to make a box that'll serve as our section, and then we'll want to add a button that could uncollapse and collapse the box. So let's start with the box first. Let's go on the left hand side here to add elements. On add elements, let's start in the box. And for the boxes here, you can pick whichever one you want. I'm going to do this one, for example, just this simple black one. And I'm going to make it a little bit bigger here so it can serve as a full section. Now in here, I'm going to add a couple of things. I'm going to add a big title. And I'm also going to add a paragraph as well. So a big title here, and I'm going to make it white so you can see it. There you go. And I'm also going to make it have a paragraph underneath it like this. And I'm going to make this white as well. There you go. Now let's just say for clarity, this is a whole section here, right? Now we want to add a button. So for the button here, for example, I'm going to do something simple, maybe something like this. So it's something collapsible, right? And this is all the pre-work you need to do. Now comes the meticulous part. You need to do dev mode, right? Because this is a coding solution. This needs to have coding. So the way you can turn off dev mode is that you go up here on dev mode, and you can click on this, turn on dev mode. Now, the UI may seem a little intimidating, but it's pretty easy, I promise you. First things first, you want to click on the box first, the container box. And as you can see here, when you click on the box, the API reference here, or in the IT section here, changes to the thing you selected. Now we want when we first start our site, we want this section to be collapsed. So let's click on this section, on this option here to make it collapsed. So when we first open our website, the container box will not be visible. Now it's collapsed. Now we need to make it so that when a button is pressed, it'll trigger the collapse or the uncollapse. The way we can do this is by using code right here, button 4. We can use this as our trigger. And as you can see here, there is already code pre-written. I actually wrote this, and when you first open it up, it won't be like this, right? Here you go. Now, when you first open it up, it looks like this. And you can go on the onClick function here, right? And you want to copy and paste the code I got earlier, right? So something like this, for example. If that doesn't work, you can also copy and paste the code here, right? But normally, you don't put the code here, you put it on here, on ready function here. So just put the code here under the onReady function. Now, the only thing you need to modify from this code I got is that you need to modify the variables here. What is you can see here when I go on button, when I hover over it, you can see there's a name with a hashtag on it. That's the ID we want. So you want to change this one, toggle button, into button, the name of the button you have. So my case, button 4, right? And for the collapsible section here, you want to change it to the box you have. In my case, it's called box 1. So just highlight this and then change it to box 1 in my case. For your case, it might be different. It might have a different name. It could be box 1, box 2, box 3, a lot of other things. But besides that, I'm going to change this into box 1 as well, right? Box 1, here you go. Now, once that's done, you can just click on run here and we can test to see if this works or not. Give it a second to load. Sometimes it might take a little bit since we're running code from the website here, but it's okay. It'll run eventually. You just need to be patient. All right. Once it ran, you can see if I click on this button here, there you go. It'll collapse and uncollapse the section just like that.